In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a phone number to your Protonmail account as a recovery option. Adding a recovery number is a simple way to protect your account and make sure you can get back in if you ever lose access to your password or recovery email. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your browser and go to protonmail.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account with your usual credentials. Once you're on your main inbox page, we'll move into the settings area where all the security and recovery options live. Look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small gear icon which represents settings. Click that gear icon. This opens a quick settings panel, but for what we're doing, we'll need the full settings view. In that panel, look for an option that says all settings and click it. This will take you to the main settings dashboard for your Protonmail account. It might look a bit overwhelming if it's your first time here, but don't worry, we're only going to use a very specific section. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories. Find and click on the section labeled Recovery or Similar. This is where Protonmail lets you set up options to recover your account if you're locked out. It usually includes things like a recovery email and, what we're focusing on today, a recovery phone number. Once you're in the recovery section, look for the area that mentions recovery phone number. Here you'll see a field where you can add a phone number. Click into that field and type in the mobile number you want to use for account recovery. Make sure this is a number you actually have access to and ideally one you plan to keep long term. If you change numbers often, remember you'll need to come back here and update it. After you've entered the number, you'll usually see an option to enable it for recovery. Look for a setting or toggle that says allow recovery by phone and turn that on. This is important. Just entering the number isn't enough. Enabling recovery by phone tells Protonmail it's allowed to use that number to help confirm your identity if you ever need to reset your account. Once that's enabled, Protonmail will need to verify that the number is really yours. Typically, this means you'll receive a text message with a verification code. Check your phone for that message, then come back to the browser and enter the code into the verification field that appears. If you don't see the text right away, give it a few moments and make sure you have a stable mobile signal. If necessary, you can request the code again. After you've entered the correct code, Protonmail will confirm that your phone number has been verified and successfully added as a recovery method. At this point, your number is linked to your account and recovery by phone is turned on. That's all you need to do. You've gone from the Protonmail homepage into the full settings, opened the recovery section, added your recovery phone number, enabled phone recovery, and completed the verification process. This small setup step can save you a lot of trouble later, and it adds an extra layer of security to your Protonmail account.